A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Maths online classes. In the previous classes, exercise 3.1 first Roman first problem completed. Okay, today we are discussing about chapter 3. The chapter name is Constructing a Quadrilateral. Constructing a quadrilateral. So now today we are discussing about exercise 3.1.
Today we discuss
question
about
number
chapter
1.
3 construction of quadrilateral. So in the previous classes first Roman first problem completed. It is a first Roman D problem. Rhombus MATH with AD equal to 4 centimeters and angle MAT equal to 120 degrees. It is a problem. So first you write the given that. What are the given the dimension or angle? Then write the given that. So AT equal to 4 centimeters. Angle MAT equal to 120 degrees. So how to get a construction of quadrilateral? So here given to the only one side. So remaining sides, yes, you remember that first you observe the rhombus. Here problem observe that here rhombus are given. So first already we learn the properties of rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? That it is a diagram of rhombus. Diagram of rhombus. So here given to the MATH. So the imagination of diagram, rough sketch. Okay. So in the rhombus properties are all sides are equal. All sides are equal and all sides are parallel. That is the properties of rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? MA equal to A, T equal to T, H equal to HM. All sides are equal and at the same time all sides are parallel. So MA parallel TH and AT parallel MH. This side is opposite side of a parallel. All sides are equal and sides are parallel. These are properties of rhombus. Okay. So here one substitute that all sides are equal means here AD equal to 4 centimeters are given. So remaining sides are also same radius. Yes. Okay. Now write the MA equal to 4 centimeters. Already given that AT. Next. TH equal to 4 centimeters. And HM equal to 4 centimeters. So finally AT equal to 4 centimeters. So here angle MAT equal to 120 degrees. Once here MAT, the consider to angle MAT, angle A equal to 120 degrees. Okay children, did you understand this one? It is a given that problem. Okay, next. So here let us start the main diagram. Okay children. So here once observe that in the problem, what are given the base. First here already given to the angle A 120 degrees. So which is the base of the side is vertex of MA's dimension. So MA equal to 4 centimeters. Then you have to take the measurement of force with the help of the scale and draw the and mark the points 0 to 4 centimeters. Because I have take the some more than, because of it is 4 centimeters means up to here only, that the diagram is the very small, so that's why I have to take the more measurement. Just now, but you have to take the 4 centimeters. Okay children, so here points of mark a point, it is a M A, how much? 4 centimeters, radius 4 centimeter. So now write the construction step. First one, you have draw a line segment MA equal to with radius 4 centimeters. Okay, did you understand? Next, now take the protractor and compass. So it is the, now I have to take the half or some radius here with the center of A, because of here given to the angle A 120 degrees. So that's why I have to take the A with the center of A, take the some radius and draw the one arc Okay. At the same, the arc is, you draw the arc that is a intersect, cut the MA line segment, that is a point of O or your wish. You write the any letter. Okay. Next, with the same radius with the center of O and draw the one arc and cut the arc. Okay. At the same, again center that arc and draw the another arc. Okay. Next, once observe that, now you draw the ray. So the two arcs are intersect a one point. Intersect a one point, that draw the ray. Draw the ray. So it is a X. That is a X. Now once observe that, so here angle A equal to how much of the angle here? 120 degrees. Once observe the with the protractor and the center of A and keep like this only with the center of A. Now here keep the point onwards left side. So right side keep. Now we count the left side onwards. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Exact in angle of 120 degrees is there. Okay. So that diagram is, angle is a correct. So angle A equal to 120 degrees. Okay. At the same time, you take the same, all sides are equal. So again you have to take the 4 centimeters with the center of A and draw the one arc. The cut of a ray, draw the one arc. At the same measurement, take the same radius 4 centimeters with the center of M, draw the one arc. Okay. So here intersect the arc is intersect the one point, that is a T. Keep as a T. So now center of T and draw the radius with 4 centimeters and draw the one arc. And draw the one arc. The two arcs are meet a one point or intersect a one point, that is keep as H. That is keep as H. Now join the HM and join the H and join the T H. Okay. Now all sides are same radius you have to take. Then mention to the radius 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So it is a rhombus diagram. So the required rhombus MATH, the required rhombus MATH is formed. Okay, the required rhombus MATH is formed. Did you understand, children? Okay.
Next construction, parallelogram. First Roman, third problem. Parallelogram PQRS with PQ equal to 4.5 centimeters, QR equal to 3 centimeters and angle PQR equal to 60 degrees. So let's see how to construct a quadrilateral PQRS. How is it possible of construct a quadrilateral? Here given to the two sides only. Here given to the two sides only and one angle only given that. So here once observe that here type of quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Types of quadrilateral is a parallelogram. First already we learn in the parallel properties of parallelogram. Already we learn in the properties of parallelogram. What are the properties of parallelogram? Once remind that opposite sides are parallel. First you draw the parallelogram. So it is a just imagination of diagram, parallelogram. So the rule of a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Just it is a P, Q or S. P, Q or S. Then what is the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Okay, that is rules for parallelogram. That is a rules for parallelogram. So here given that PQ equal to 4.5 centimeters, QR equal to 3 centimeters, angle PQR equal to 60 degrees. PQR equal to 60 degrees. Now first you draw the rough sketch. So first you draw the rough sketch. Already here given to the clue parallelogram. Just you draw the parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal. Just imagination of diagram. At the same here 0 to 4. At the same time here also. Just it is a rough sketch. So it is the named as P, Q or S. So here given to 4.5 centimeters. PQ equal to 4.5 centimeters and QR equal to 3 centimeters. Remaining 2 is the, so here angle Q equal to 60 degrees. So in this properties of angle PQR, the middle what is the digit is a, that is the angle of. So angle Q equal to 60 degrees considered to angle Q. Okay. So here properties of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Then PQ side is the opposite side. or yes 4.5 centimeters, and QR opposite side is PS, so it is a 3 centimeters. Then here PQ 4.5 centimeters. At the same time RS equal to 4.5 centimeters, and QR opposite side is PS, therefore PS equal to 3 centimeters. Did you understand, children? Okay, let us start the main diagram. So first here you have to take the scale and the compass, protractor with pencil. Okay, so here first here what is, how to take the base PQ. So how much of the measurement here? PQ 4.5. Why are you take the PQ dimension only in base? Then given to the angle, Q angle also here given. Then because of you have to take the side of dimension of PQ. So the radius of 0 to 4.5. So then draw the line segment. So that is the point of PQ. Here mentioned to the measurement 4.5 centimeters. So it is the first step. So first step is the draw a rough sketch. Next second step is the draw a line segment with the radius 4.5 centimeters PQ. Okay, draw a line segment PQ bar with the radius 4.5 centimeters. Okay, next one is, so you have to take the, because of in the given the angle Q, then with the center of Q, I have to take the center of Q. Take the some radius. No need of half and more than. Just I have to take the some radius. So 4.5 PQ is the 4.5 centimeters. Then take the some radius and draw the one arc. Okay, the arc is the intersect. The arc is the cut of a line segment, that is O or yourish. You have to keep the any point. Okay, so at the same measurement. So here Q to O, how much you have to take the radius. At the same measurement, draw the one arc with the center of O and draw the one arc. And with the same radius, the arc is intersect the one point and at the center of draw to the another arc. Okay, so then intersect the arc of cut the ray. So then keep the point and draw the ray. Okay, so here once observe that it is the angle Q equal to here given to the 60 degrees. So then center of Q, yes, exactly 60 degrees is there. Angle Q equal to 60 degrees is there. Did you understand, children? Okay, so then keep here angle Q equal to 60 degrees and Q. Already here dimension of Q are equal to 3 centimeters. Then help of the scale and take the radius 0 to 3 centimeters and center of Q and draw the one arc with cut off ray. Okay, that is intersect of the point, that is a Q R. So how much of the radius you have to take here? 3 centimeters. Okay, next here at the same time PQ is the same measurement here QR. Okay, then you have to take the same measurement with the center of P and draw the one arc. Okay, so here opposite side PQ, opposite side is a RS. Then you take the same measurement PQ and with the center of R and the intersect the another arc. Intersect the another arc. Then the two arcs intersect a one point, that is keep as S. That is keep as S. So now join the PS and or yes. Okay, here the measurement opposite sides. So here 4.5 centimeters and here 3 centimeters. So the join the PS and RS, the required parallelogram PQRS. Did you understand, children? It is a construction of parallelogram. And once observe that the question, parallelogram PQRS with PQ equal to 4.5 centimeters and QR 3 centimeters. So here how many dimensions or sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here sides are 4. And how many angles are given here? 1 angle. So it is a property of side, and angle property. Okay, did you understand? 4 sides and 1 angle. 4 sides and 1 angle. That is a constructing of a quadrilateral. Main points, 5 steps are there. That is a first one only. Okay, children.
Next, exercise 3.2. The question number quadrilateral ABCD. Next, exercise 3.2 in first Roman first problem. Okay, quadrilateral ABCD with AB equal to 4-5 centimeters, BC equal to 5.5 centimeters, CD equal to 4 centimeters, AD equal to 6 centimeters and AC equal to 7 centimeters. It is a given that measurements. So first let's see how to get a construction of quadrilateral ABCD. Now with given the measurement, first we have basic an idea. How to draw the construction quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so here how many sides are given in the problem? AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are given. In the before the class, in this problem is that it is a second step of the constructing a quadrilateral. It is a step of second one. So it is here ABCD. First you draw the rough diagram ABCD quadrilateral. So it is A, B, C, D. It is a rough sketch. Okay. So it is a rough sketch ABCD quadrilateral. So here AB given that, BC given that side and CD it is also side, AD also side. Here AC is equal to 7 centimeters. So AC, the distance of A and C, it is a diagonal. So here how many sides are given? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1 diagonal. This property is considered to side and 1 diagonal. It is the step of second one. Okay. So now given that given that AB equal to 4.5 centimeters, BC equal to 5.5 centimeters, and CD equal to 4 centimeters, AD equal to 6 centimeters, and diagonal AC equal to 7 centimeters. These are given the radius. Okay, let us start the main diagram. Let us start the main diagram. First you have to take the scale, and first so here 4 sides are given. Which side is you have to take the base? So here first AB also is there, BC, CD and AD also is there. Just here what we have to take the base in the rough sketch AB. So now draw the line segment AB. So 4.5 centimeters with the help of scale. With the help of scale, you have to take the 0 to 4.5 centimeters. In this up to here 4.5, it is a small diagram. You did not see the diagram. So then I have to take the some measurement. It is a mark here 2 points, and points is A, B. So it is a 4.5 centimeters. Okay. Next, so here A and B both are there. Okay, base. So here with the center of A and with the center of B. So here BC, next side is the BC. BC equal to 5.5 centimeters. Next we take the 5.5 centimeters. We take the 5.5 centimeters. So with the center of B and draw the one arc. Okay. At the same here, once observe that, and here also AC with the center of AD is there and AC is there. So AB and next is the C here. Okay. So AC equal to 7 centimeters. First ABC, you draw the diagram. ABC, triangle of ABC. So here AC equal to 7 centimeters. Then you have to take the 7 centimeters. So it is a 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters. So take the 7 centimeters with center of A and draw the one arc at intersect another arc. That is keep as ABC. Okay. Now we join the join the AC and join the BC. First it is a triangle ABC is formed. Next one is A, also another one is there here. Base with the center AD equal to 6 centimeters. So you have to take the radius of 6 centimeters and draw the one with the center of A and draw the 6 centimeters one arc. Next, center of C, CD equal to 4 centimeters is there. CD equal to 4 centimeters is there. So once it is a yes. Next, how to take the 4 centimeters measurement with the help of the scale. 4 centimeters and draw the one arc. The arc is a intersect of another arc. The arc is a intersect of another arc. That is keep as ABCD. ABCD. Now join the AD. Now join the AD and CD. Now join the AD and CD. So here once observe that it is a ABCD is quadrilateral is formed. The required quadrilateral ABCD is formed. So here now BC equal to, now write the measurement radius, BC equal to here 5.5 centimeters and CD equal to here 4 centimeters and AD equal to 6 centimeters. In the AC diagonal equal to 7 centimeters. It is a form of ABCD quadrilateral. So it is the property of the constructing a quadrilateral property of side, 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 side and diagonal. It means have any 4 sides and 1 diagonal given the quadrilateral. Okay? Okay.
Thank you, my dear students.